figured I'd do a video of me opening up the filter. So you spin me right round, baby, right. Premium gasket. See how it goes around, gasketing all the oil for gasket purposes. There's an M stamp there. I don't know what that means. Maybe the M means microguard, or maybe it's a W for the win. Hey bud, it's me. Cars are friends. I just did the first treatment of Valvoline Restore and Protect on my 2021 Honda HR-V. I shot a video of me doing the oil change on it. This is actually the oil filter that came out during that video. This is the first iteration of Valvoline Restore and Protect in 0W20. So let's open this up and let's see what's inside. I did pick up this tool right here. It's practically a fancy can opener. So let's go ahead and put this on here. You spin me right round, baby, right round. All right, so we're gonna go around, and then whoa. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't be doing that. Sorry, not an ASMR video. Let me get something to collect this, and let me change the angle. Be right back. So hopefully this angle will be better. So I go ahead and got a collection pen because there's still some goodies in there. Let's see if we can zoom in. All right. So here, I'm not gonna do a what is this? I'm not gonna do a microguard select review. There is a ton of videos of that out there. We have the gasket right here, which is a premium gasket. See how it goes around, gasketing all the oil for gasket purposes. There's an M stamp there. I don't know what that means. Maybe the M means microguard, or maybe it's a W for the win. Anyways, I'm not gonna make a video about what's inside, but I do want to see what it collected. So let me get myself a rag here. All right, so here we are. There she is. This is the filter. And right now I'm not seeing any gunk in it. I don't know if you can see that. But let's set this. All right, so let's pour this out and let's see what it caught. So thankfully I'm not seeing chunks, which is good. For a little under 4,000 miles, it's not bad. I mean, it has some dirt to it. Doesn't look like that there's any metallic substance, so it's definitely doing something. So we'll go ahead and pour that out. So there you go. Looks like there is some soot there, but nothing too crazy. Look inside. So there is some soot that it's collected, but other than that, I mean, doesn't look like there's any chunks. Currently the car or the vehicle is around 60,000 miles. The main reason why I am doing the Restore and Protect treatment is only because I'm the second owner of the car. I don't know what was done to it previously. I don't know the intervals. As used cars go, you don't know what the past is. So it's just good to run Restore and Protect. And after this, I'll be running the extended protection from Valvoline, because Valvoline is great. Let me know what you think. And I'm going to go clean this up.